Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sling TV Error Code 1511. As per our research, this error comes when users try to delete DVR recordings. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a temporary glitch in the app or a sync issue between the DVR service and your device. The first thing you should try is logging out of Sling TV and logging back in. Once logged back in, try deleting the recording again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try power cycling your device along with the network hardware. Simply turn off your device and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart everything. Now check if the issue is fixed. If you still have the error, then check if you have any pending updates for the Sling TV app or your device's firmware. If there are updates available, install them and check for the error again. At last, if nothing helps, then we suggest you reach out to the Sling TV support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.